Hey guys, welcome back. My name is I Ena Friedrich and for today's video I'm gonna create something a little bit different. This is the clip from my latest video. As you can see, it's colorful. Today I'm gonna do a colorful look as well, but it's gonna be a little bit more simple and light. So if you're interested to see this golden yellow cut crease, just keep on watching. In this tutorial, I'm about to show you every product I've used to achieve this entire look, but as the actual step-by-step tutorial goes, I'll focus only on the eyeshadow application. So I started with Baby Glow foundation in shade 2. This is beautiful, radiant but very sheer foundation from Guerlain. My skin is already primed with Meteorites moisturizer from the same brand, and I also spot concealed and defined my brows. Now I'm moving on to the eyeshadow, and the first palette I'll be using is Armed and Gorgeous from Morphe and Jaclyn Hill collaboration. Shade which I'm picking up is this mustard yellow, and I'm going to place it just a bit above my crease. This is light shade, so I have to build it up. I definitely needed to apply like a couple of layers to make it opaque as I wanted to, and the brush which I'm using is Precise Pencil brush. If you're interested to check tools and products which I'm using, you can check them in the description box. Next palette which I need simply because of this vibrant yellow shade is Zulu by JUVIAS Place. This yellow is slightly lighter than the first one, so I'm placing it above and blending the edges. This will create a nice gradient from darkest to the lightest shade. And to really diffuse these edges, I'm going all over with a clean blending brush, and I'll probably spend like 2 or 3 minutes blending the edges because it makes a difference. But this entire makeup look wouldn't take me more than like 15 minutes. To intensify the crease shade and to make it a bit darker, since this is a cut crease look, I'm picking this muted orange shade from the same Armed and Gorgeous palette, and I'm gonna mix it with that mustard shade. I want to keep this look more on a muted side when it comes to orange shades, because I want that yellow and lit shade to pop up. So I blended that orange shade into the crease, and now I'm ready to cut the crease. You can see me doing some finishing touches. I'm adding a bit more of that vibrant yellow, and again I'm blending everything together. This is HD Pro Concealer Kit from Revolution in shade Fair, and a tiny eyeliner brush which will come in handy for a precise cut. Finally, for a lid shade, I decided to go with my favorite eyeshadow from all. This is very finely milled glitter in gorgeous gold shade from Linda Hallberg Cosmetics and her first Metallic Mysteries palette. Both of her Metallic Mysteries palettes volume 1 and 2 contains this exact shade. I applied this dry over a slightly tacky base from that concealer, and I've used this glitter so many times and I'm not experiencing any fallouts, not today, not ever. And then I went with both yellow and orange close to my lash line, just to make this look a little bit more interesting. And to contour my face, I've used Beauty UK Contour Stick in shade 2, concealer from Huda Beauty in shade N10. I set my face with Meteorites Travel Touch from Guerlain and set my under eyes with Infinity Loose Powder from Linda Hallberg in shade Light. Eye contour with the HD Powder Contour from Revolution in shade Fair, and bronze with Terracotta Bronzer in Deep. Before I apply a highlighter, I set my face with Fixing Spray from Art Revolution, and I went with the same gold shade. I know it's glitter, so I understand that's not everyone's ideal highlight, but I love it. On top of this highlight, just to give my face a bit more warm, I applied Blushing Hearts in shade Ice Hearts, and this might be considered both as highlighter and blush topper. It's a peachy golden shade and it looks almost wet on my skin. To finish the eyes, I'm going with that muted orange close to my lash line and blending it with yellow shade from Zulu palette. To clean any potential fallouts and to diffuse the edges, I'm going all over with clean blending brush. You can skip the wing, or you can apply yellow eyeliner, even gold eyeliner would look beautiful. But I decided to keep it simple and wearable, even though it's a colorful makeup look. To finish it up, I'm using matte eyeliner from Catrice, So Volume Noir mascara from Guerlain, and Second Guessing lashes in style Everything. These lashes are longer at the end, so they will provide me with that cat eye look. I went with Birthday Suit liquid lipstick from Jeffree Star, and I'm nude shade just in the center to make it a little bit lighter. Hopefully you like this final result. I think it's beautiful, summer appropriate look. Anyway, thank you for watching, enjoy your day, and bye bye!